We are going up there today. Morning everyone. Morning everyone. Welcome to Giang. As you can see, the mountains in the background there. We are imminently about to go pick up our bikes. We're going to saddle up and we're off to ride around them. We've got a little route planned. We'll show you that in a bit. I think we're just about to go pick up our bikes. Check out this adventure. Here is the map of where we're going. I'm going to get James to show us all where we're going.
Okay chaps, here's the plan. We start in Giang over here, travel north, around the road, up to the mountains, to Giang. That's where we spent our night on after day one. This is where things get rather sticky. Going through the high mountain pass, all the way around to Giang. That's night 2. And then we sweep round here, back over to here to have our last night before heading back to Giang and back home. Easy peasy.
Sounds good to me. Join the adventure.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade.
Here he goes.
Nothing to worry about, Harry.
What are you saying, Joe? You excited?
Yes, I'm nervous.
Great. Rocking awesome. We're gonna be.
Matt and Howard on the bikes. Their first practice run. Howard's never driven a manual before. Matt can't start his. Here they go. This crazy traffic. Oh my god.
So the bike test didn't get off to the best start. I ran out of gasoline after about 100 yards. I had to walk it back. So my man is just filling it back up for me. How many men does it take to strap a few bags to a bike? Too many. So these guys have just unloaded the ducks from the roof of this bus. I would say that's lunch.
Hello, my name is Giang.
If you come to Giang, this is the man to come and get your bikes from. We are called Motorbike Rental or AHA Massage. These boys will sort you out a good one.
Yeah.
First stop is pretty spectacular. I mean, look at that. Absolutely amazing. Joanne, what are we saying so far?
Cool, love it. Can't wait to get on.
Up the steps, apparently there's a stunning viewpoint. Man James has been here before, so check out the views. I'm definitely tired for climbing the steps, but wow. I mean, look at that. Just simply stunning. Heavy work up those steps, huh?
Unfair. Overweight.
Getting old.
Getting old. Not me.
I'm fine. Apparently, these are called bosom mountains because they look like bosoms. Down we go.
We're in Tamsur.
So actually just heard James say we're in Tamsur, so that lovely village we could see from the mountains above. We've stopped here for a bit of lunch. I think everyone's kind of ordered some sort of noodles or rice. How are we all feeling so far, guys?
Awesome.
I must admit, some of the views are pretty spectacular. Good job so far, James. And we're not getting wet.
I know, right?
We're not getting wet.
The rain is holding off so far.
This trip is sponsored by Coca-Cola.
It's not, don't worry. First Vietnamese dinner, or proper one I should say, is rice and chicken. Boy, what you got? Pork?
Yep, mi sao bar, it's called. That's beef.
Gone for beef. So what was it called, sorry?
Misao bar. So
Misao.
misao is the noodle. This is misao noodle, like super noodles. And bar, like the French, is beef. And it's really, really good.
Nice. What were we saying about the food, Joanne?
Well, it looks like I didn't enjoy it, but I really did.
Yeah.
So much.
Too much, huh?
I had to go at chopsticks, and I'm not very good.
They failed at chopsticks. Let's watch a demonstration.
Just can't eat
Nails look good.
Yeah. And the colour of Joanne's nails is off orange.
I've got one.
We could be here a while. I think we'll leave that. So we've all just pulled over to this beautiful ravine just to chill out, get some Instagram photos, of course. Come off the bikes. It gives you the trembles a little bit on your hands, but just looking down at this river, if you come to Ha Giang or northern Vietnam, you've definitely got to get on a bike ride and come to these mountains. We've only been motorcycling about half a day so far, and it's pretty stunning. I've not nearly come off because I can't ride a bike, but a couple of times I've had a touch of hairy moments because I keep staring at the scenery and not looking where I'm going. Typical tourist, right? So we've just stopped at the top of this kind of viewpoint. There are quite a few cables in the way, but check out those clouds down that ravine. It looks absolutely stunning. I have to say, these mountains are beautiful. I think this is one of the best views I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. What are we saying, Matty?
Indescribable, mate. Can't recommend it enough. It's why I've lived here for 2 years. Just views like that. Can't get anywhere else.
No, you're not wrong. It's pretty stunning, if I'm totally honest. Like the sunlight, the way it's coming through on some of those rice paddies, the mountains in the background with the clouds is just truly amazing.
For sure.
Stunning. Get yourself to Ha Giang.
Yeah.
Yes.
Such a wavy word. so British.
Right then, guys, what are we saying about the first day's riding?
Awesome. View spectacular. I can't feel my rear end anymore.
And this is for you, Ben.
Joyce is gonna love that.
Recommend it to anyone.
Yeah, I must admit the views we've seen today have been absolutely stunning. We're just gonna chill here for a few beers now, check out some of the pictures and footage, and then head into the evening, I think.
Sounds good.
Subscribers, please comment and let us know which of Matt and James you think is the oldest. Puzzling, I know. Time to hit the road. So we were just chilling at the homestay. We've decided to just go check out this little town. The town that we're currently in is called Giang Minh. It looked pretty interesting when we cycled through it earlier, or motorcycled I should say. So let's go see what it's got to offer. So the boys have recommended to us to head to a Beer Hoi, which is kind of a traditional Vietnamese pub, is probably the best way of describing it. So we're gonna go see what it's like. This is where we shall feast. James, describe the menu to us.
It's in English, so this is going to be easy.
Yep.
It's well designed.
Sandwiches without bread. They've run out of bread.
Ah.
Pizzas, traditional pizzas, P-I-Z-A.
Can we just clarify? Is that a handwritten book for a menu?
It's like a diary of food.
Ah.
Stir-fried vegetables, more. Some of this in Vietnamese. Beef rice.
So our friend is cooking some food.
5 out of 10 star.
What are we cooking? Chicken. Rice. Joanne, what time is it?
4 o'clock time.
2 o'clock time. See, Madge, what have you ordered us?
Starving. What I ordered and what we got have been 2 different things.
Your Vietnamese is a little bit off then, right?
Ball look like. Then what ball look like? It looks like miso ball and pizza. Pizza sushi. So the chicken won't go with it. But still it's not nice.
Joanne, what are we saying? Yeah? We're going to end the vlog there today, just before we eat. It's been an amazing day. Some of the views have been stunning. Hope you've enjoyed today. Check out tomorrow's video.